Sindoor. The Operation Sindoor took place on 7 May 2025. 9 terror infrastructure sites were targeted, including locations in Pakistani Punjab and the region India called Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir. The operation was conducted in retaliation for the barbaric Pahalgam terrorist attack, in which 25 Indians and one Nepali citizen were murdered on April 22, 2025. The attack was claimed by the Resistance Front (TRF), a group linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba, with India attributing its support to Pakistan. Wing Commander Vamika Singh and Colonel Sophia Qureshi, with Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, led the Indian government briefing about the operation. 9 locations targeting in Pakistan and POJK. Markaz Subhanallah, Bahawalpur, headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, serving as a major operation hub. Markaz Taiba, Morindke, base of Lashkar-e-Taiba, known for planning and coordinating cross-border attacks. Mehmoona Zoya, Sialkot, a Hizbul Mujahideen camp used for militant training and logistical support. Markaz Ahle Hadith, Barnala, a LET-linked religious indoctrination hub promoting extremist ideologies. Sayyidina Bilal Camp, Muzaffarabad, a Jaish-e-Mohammed training center focused on equipping militants for cross-border operations. Sawai Nalla Camp, Muzaffarabad, an operational unit for Lashkar-e-Taiba involved in attack planning. Markaz Rahil Saeed, Kotli, a Hizbul Mujahideen center for coordinating militant activities in the region. Markaz Abbas Kotli, a Zaim safe house used for strategic meeting and logistical planning. Surgical facility, Tehra Kalam, a secure location for weapon and IED storage, facilitating terrorist activity. On 10 May 2025, Pakistan launched an operation condemned Operation Banyan al-Marsus, targeting several Indian military bases. Operation launched by Pakistan, that is Operation Banyan al-Marsus, कब 10 मई 2025 को. Between 7 May and 10 May 2025, multiple drone incursions were reported across various locations. Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir, State of Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, Director General of Military Operations, on May 11, 2025, briefed the media on the Indian Army precious strike under Operation Sindoor. On 10 May 2025, India and Pakistan agreed to conditional ceasefire. The ceasefire agreement was mediated successfully by United States as claimed by President of United States Donald Trump. Key high precious weapon used by India: SCALP, Scalp cruise missile, Storm Shadow, manufacturer MBDA, European Defence Consortium, launch platform Rafale fighter jets, range over 500 km, purpose designed for the deep strike mission, targeting high-value stationary assets such as fortified bunkers and command centers. Hammer Precision Guided Bomb AASM manufacturer Chevron Electronic and Defense France. Launch platform Rafale fighter jets, range 15 to 70 km depending on variant and release altitude. Purpose engaging medium range targets including mobile or dynamic threats with high precision. Modular design accommodating various bomb sizes 125 kg to 1000 kg. Loitering munitions kamikaze drones example Nag Astra 1 developed by Solar Industries Warmit Systems. Purpose combining surveillances and strike capabilities. These drones loiter over the target areas and identify threats and execute precious strike. BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Developers joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia NPO Moshino launch platform land, sea, air and submarine. Range approximately 290 km. Purpose targeting strategic military assets with high speed precious strikes. Supersonic speed Mach 2.8 to 3.0. S-400 Triumph Sudarshan Chakra India Strategic Air Defense Shield. Manufacturer developed by the Russia Almaz Center Design Bureau. Indian designations dubbed Sudarshan Chakra in India service, symbolizing weapon of protection. Development India signed a deal worth approximately 35,000 crore rupees in 2018 to produce 5 squadrons of the Russian-made S-400 Triumph air defense missile systems. It is equipped with the sophisticated radars that can detect and track targets up to 600 km away. Civil Defense Preparedness Mock Drill 2025. On 7 May 2025, the Minister of Home Affairs initiated a civil defense drill across 244 districts throughout India. Past military operation by India against Pakistan: Operation Cactus Lily in 1971, an air assault operation conducted by the Indian Army and Air Force during the Bangladesh Liberation War in December 1971. Operation Trident in 1971, a naval offensive operation targeting Pakistan Karachi port. Air Force operation name and location. In 2016, Indian Air Force Operation Sankat Mochan, South Sudan evacuating during civil war. In 2017, Indian Air Force Operation Insaniyat, Bangladesh and humanitarian aid for Rohingya refugees. In 2018, Indian Navy Operation Madad, Kerala rescue during floods. In 2020, Indian Navy Operation Samudra Setu, COVID-19 repatriation missions. In 2021, Operation Indian Army Operation Devi Shakti, Afghanistan evacuation during Taliban takeover. 2020, Indian Army Operation Ganga, Ukraine student evacuations and Russian-Ukraine war and air support in evacuations. In 2023, Indian Air Force Operation Dost Turkey and Syria earthquake rescue mission. India 5-point action plan in response to the Pahalgam attack. Suspension of the Indus Water Treaty. Closure of the Atari Wagah border checkpost. Revocation of the SARC visa exemption schemes for Pakistan. Expulsion of the Pakistani military advisors. Reduction of the diplomatic personnel. Indus Water Treaty. The Indus Water Treaty signed in 1960 in Karachi after 9 years of negotiations between India and Pakistan was brokered by the World Bank. Key provisions include Eastern River, Ravi Byas Satluj allocated to India for unrestricted use. Western River Indus Jhelum and Chenab reserved for Pakistan, granting it access to nearly 80% of Indus system total water flow. Brokered by World Bank, then known as the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Non-suspension clause. Even during war, the treaty remains operative. Operation Python in 1971, a failure of naval attack on Karachi port further crippled Pakistan naval forces. Operation Meghdood 1984, launched on April 13, 1984 under Prime Minister Indira Gandhi leadership. Operation Vijay 1999. This operation was India military action to reclaim territory occupied by Pakistan forces in Kargil. Operation Safed Sagar, conducted by the Indian Air Force to launch a strike against Pakistani forces interest in India position along the LOC. Uri surgical strike in 2016. These were conducted by Indian Special Force in retaliation for the Uri attack. Operation Bandar in 2019, launched in response to the 2019 Pulwama attack on the CRPF in Jammu Kashmir. India's suspension marks the first ever suspension of the treaty since 1960. The move drawn upon Article 62 of the Vienna Convention of the Law of Treaties. Okay, thank you.